everyone, I am Dr. Kiranmayi, Assistant Professor and Area Chair, Digital Transformation and Operations, School of Business, Aditya University. In the previous lecture, we have understood how to calculate arithmetic mean in case of group distribution, and also how what is median, and when we calculate and we use the measure median, and how to calculate median in case of observations, and these are the things which we have learnt in the previous lecture. And in this current lecture, I am going to talk about how to calculate median in case of group distribution. And not only median for group distribution but also about quartiles. So, these are the things which I am going to talk about in this present lecture. So, this is the formula to calculate median for grouped distribution, where L is the lower limit of the median class, and n by 2 is the median term which is median term, and C is the cumulative frequency of the median class, and F is the frequency of the median class, H is the height of the class interval. So, this is how we can interpret, we can present the whole. Suppose for example, there is data, this kind of data is there where we have to calculate median and quartiles. We have first quartile, second quartile is nothing but median, and third quartile. First quartile covers 25%. So, 25% of the data is covered by first quartile, and whereas median divides the entire data into two equal parts, and whereas third quartile covers 75% of the data. So, this is how we can understood with the help of this example. So, 45 is the median value, so which has divided the entire data set into two equal parts, and this is a minimum value and this is the maximum value. This is how we can use. Since to calculate median value, the first thing we have to do is we have to arrange the data in ascending order, small to big. Therefore, easily we can understand what is the minimum value in the data, what is the maximum value and in the data, and also with the help of median term, what is the exact middle value, we can identify its position. It means that the median value 45 means that, so for all the values less than 45 lies on the left side, all the values greater than 45 lies on the right side. So, this is how we can understand the characteristics of the data. So, up to 31 first quartile and up to 58 third quartile. So, this covers quartile 1 covers only first 25% data as one part and 75% of the data as the second part, whereas the quartile 3 divides the 3/4 of the data, that is 75% of the data as the first part and 25% of the data as the second part. So, this is about quartiles, and these are the various formulae which we can use in this median formula. If we are calculating first quartile, we have to use, instead of n by 2, we have to use n by 4. If we want to obtain quartile 3, third quartile, we have to use in place of n by 2, we have to use 3n by 4. So, with this example, let us try to understand how to calculate median in case of group distribution. So, the formula for median in case of group distribution is given by this one. So, first we have to calculate the value of n by 2 and also the cumulative frequency. So, the first value is less than cumulative frequency, first 4, and 4 plus 15 gives 19, next 19 plus 24, 43. So, this way first we have to obtain the less than cumulative frequency, and then we have to compute the value of n by 2, that is 72 by 2, that is 36th term will be the median. So, in the cumulative frequency we have to locate which frequency, cumulative frequency covers this 36 value. That is, so 4 is less than 36, 19 is less than 36 and 43. So, this median value falls in this class interval. So, it is more than 36. Therefore, the 2030 will be the median class, and this is going to be the f value, and this is the C. In the formula, C is the cumulative frequency of the preceding median class, that is 19 is the C value, and L value lower limit is 20 and height of the class is 10. So, now we have all the values in the formula, that is median is equal to, therefore, median L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency by frequency into h. So, it is the median class and it is C value and it is F value and L value, whereas H is 10, n by 2, 72 by 2, that is 36. So, L is 20, 20 plus 36 minus cumulative preceding median class, it is 19 by frequency of the median class is 24 into height of the class is. So, after computing we will obtain the value of median. So, this is how we can compute median in case of grouped distribution, and for the same problem we can also calculate first quartile. So, in order to calculate first quartile, we have to obtain n by 4 value, that is 72 by 4, that is 18. 18 is the 18th term. So, in the cumulative frequency, let us see where this 18 falls, and this will be the median class, and this is L value and this is frequency. Therefore, and the formula for first quartile is given by L plus n by 4 minus cumulative frequency by F median frequency of the median class into H. So, L value here is 10, n by 4 is 18, cumulative frequency of the preceding class is 4 and frequency of the median class is 15 into 10. If you compute this value, we will obtain the first quartile. So, at which value divides the whole data into, whereas the first part covers 25% of the data, second part consists of 75% of the data. So, this is how we can use, based upon the purpose of the data analysis and the researcher, a particular kind of quartile or median is used, and the formula is given by Q3 is equal to L plus 3n by 4 minus cumulative frequency by F into C. So, first we have to find out 3n by 4, that is 3 into 18, n by 4 already we have obtained. So, 54 is the third quartile term. Therefore, this is the so third quartile median class is going to be this one, and this is L value, and this is the frequency of the third quartile class, and this is the value of C, and substituting all these values you can obtain the third value of the third quartile, that is at which value the whole data is divided into 75% and 25%, whereas the first half consists of 75% of the data, second part consists of 25% of the data. So, which point divides the whole data into such kind of classification is given by third quartile. So, in this present lecture, we have understood how to calculate median in case of group distribution, and how to calculate third quartile and first quartile, and the difference between all these three, and relationship between median, first quartile and third quartile we have discussed. Thank you.